just with Muslims, but with other people as well. We talked about what nullifies the fast, what breaks the fast and what doesn't, special advices for children at school during Ramadan, and making most of our time. Now, we also talked about special advices for Ramadan during we didn't, because we had to do this especially for lockdown, because in lockdown it was very, very different. So we had to do a special workshop, I've left that in there. So to conclude, we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us the ability to make this Ramadan the best Ramadan we ever had. May He give us all the strength to be able to keep our fast easily and fulfill all of our obligations during this month, and may He make this month a means of our salvation and entry into Jannah. Let's use this month to think about our lives so far, review our lives. What have I been doing all my life? What should I be doing? Am I doing something wrong? Am I not doing something wrong? We need to correct ourselves. If we are committing sins regularly, which we don't in Ramadan, it shows us that, look, we don't need to be doing these sins. Even after Ramadan, we don't need to do this. Make sure we don't miss any fasts, any salah. If we need to discharge our zakah, make sure we discharge it as well. Make sure we refrain from any types of sin, whether this is personal, by yourself, or in groups, or even online. Stay away from bad company, even bad company online. Stay away from those people who may make you miss your prayers, spoil your fasts. Don't waste time, every second is precious. Now stay in pious company. People who spend time in prayer, spend time in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala if you can, spend time in i'tikaf if you can. At least once in our lifetime, my brothers, we should try and do i'tikaf. It's the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And I'll be honest with you, for me, a personal thing, I went for i'tikaf in, I think it was 2011, and it set off a chain of events which I think that was the catalyst for. Alhamdulillah.